Understanding and immediately addressing zip code mismatches on Simple Mobile. Encountering an invalid zip code error during Simple Mobile billing or activation. This happens because the zip code you entered doesn't match what Simple Mobile or your payment processor has on file. It's a security measure to prevent fraud. As of 2025, Simple Mobile uses AI-driven fraud detection, making zip code validation stricter. The quickest fixes. First, use the Simple Mobile app, version 4.2.1 or later, or website to update your zip code in your account settings. You'll likely need to verify your identity with a one-time code. The app now uses geolocation to confirm your location via GPS, which often resolves the issue instantly. If that doesn't work, contact Simple Mobile customer support via chat or phone. AI assistants have reduced average resolution times to just 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's explore advanced solutions for zip code mismatches on Simple Mobile, including prevention strategies and future developments. If basic fixes don't work, make sure the billing zip code matches the one associated with your credit or debit card. Data inconsistencies or typos are common culprits. Simple Mobile has partnered with Visa and MasterCard for better billing address syncing. Going forward, enable account notifications in the Simple Mobile app to alert you to potential mismatches early. In the near future, Simple Mobile plans to roll out biometric zip verification using your biometrics for even more security. The trend is toward digital-first verification, using AI and machine learning to predict and resolve mismatches automatically. By 2030, expect fully automated resolutions using technologies like blockchain for identity verification, potentially eliminating these issues altogether.